Hello everyone, Optical Communication MCQ. The core of an optical fiber has the higher refractive index than the cladding. It is the bending of light through the interaction of two medium, refraction. The basic physics behind the optical fiber technology is total internal reflection. Light incident on fiber of an angles less than the acceptance angles do not propagate into the fiber. The ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in another medium is called refraction index, true. Multimode step index fiber has large core diameter and large numerical aperture. In single mode fiber, how does a fraction of energy traveling through bond mode occurring in the cladding as an Hamilton wave? Dash is used to describe the splitting of white light into the component color dispersion. In the fiber optic link, power transfer from one fiber to another and the other fiber to detector must take place with maximum coupling efficiency. The critical angle is optical refers to the specific angle of incidence. Before this angle, the total internal reflection of light will occur. False. In the structure of the fiber, which component provides additional strength and prevents the fiber from damage? Buffer coating. The layer which serves the confine the light to the core is called cladding. The inner light carrying member with the high index of refraction is called core, which ray exhibit the variation in the light acceleratively ability of the fiber skew. With respect to single mode and graded index fiber, which parameter specifies the propagation of polarization, modes which different phase velocities, and the difference between the effective refractance indices is option B, birefringence. A single mode fiber allows the single mode propagation. The cladding diameter must be at least 10 times the diameter. Multimode step index fiber has large core, diameter and large numerical aperture. Option A, false. The performance characteristic of multimode graded index fiber are better than multimode step index fiber. The performance characteristic of multimode graded index is better than multimode step index fiber. Unit that is used to measure power reading in optical fiber, decibels, dBm. The three components of optical fiber are core, jacket and cladding. The product of index of refraction by the sine of the angle of incidence is constant for any ray of light sticking. The separating surface of media is called Snell's law. Which among the following is described by the concept of numerical aperture in optical fiber? Light correction. A ray of light which undergoes the total internal reflection if it incident at the angle greater than the critical angle. True. The performance characteristic of multimode graded index fiber are better than the multimode step index fiber. A typical structured glass multimode step index fiber shows a variation of attenuation in range 2.6 to 50 decibel kilometer at the wavelength of 0.85 nm. The fiber mostly used to nowadays for optical fiber communication system are sync. True. Which law gives the relationship between refractive index of the dielectric? Law of refraction, Snell's law. The light source used in fiber optics communication are LED and lasers. The Benedict bypass through the axis of the fiber core. The light incident on fiber of angles greater than the acceptance angle do not propagate into the fiber. Which equation are best suited for the study of electromagnetic wave propagation? Maxwell's equation. When light is described as electromagnetic wave, it consists of periodically varying electric E and magnetic field H, which are oriented at the angle 90 degree to each other, which is the most important velocity